Bailey back with another video today. And today I'm with my friend Hayden, and today we are going to be testing out the Frosty slime kit new by Elmer's. And I got this for my birthday from my grandma on my mom's side, and I'm super hyped to test it out. And it's like rainy outside today, so me and Hayden are about to do like 3 videos. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Oh my god, my eye looks so dark. That's not, okay, yeah, the lighting's good. So which side do you want to be on? This side? Okay. Oh my gosh, this lighting is horrible. Hold on, let me fix it real quick. Okay, so we're back, and, let's start. So, Mason quit. That's my little brother. So, it comes with
It comes with clear glue.
Okay, so it comes with 5 ounces of clear glue. It comes with 2 bottles of the magic liquid, 2 silver glitter pens, 2 blue glitter pens, and 4 white glitter pens. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And I've been opened it before.
I thought you needed scissors.
I haven't opened it, so. Oh, and then it comes with this recipe on the back, but I'm not going to be using that. Yeah, I'm going to be using that recipe. Okay, because it doesn't come with that. Sorry, but, baking soda recipe. It comes with the magic liquid. So, let's go ahead and get these glues out. Okay, and the magical liquid. Hold on, wait for the glitter pens. We don't want to take them out.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh my gosh. Actually, let's go ahead and take them out. Here, take the white ones out. Okay, so we're back. And, okay, here we go. And we have our bowl and our mixing utensil. I think that they should, apply like a little cup, or like give a little cup for it,
yeah,
or something at least. And
so you don't have to like ruin your bowls.
And like maybe someone doesn't have a bowl that they can use,
Yeah,
or something. But anyways, after this video, I'm gonna be testing out another slime kit, so make sure to go check out that video. But anyways, let's go. So let's add. Okay, so the first instruction is pour entire bottle of 5 ounce. Okay,
glue.
so apparently you only use 1 of them. So this makes 2 slimes.
So can I keep them? Jeez.
Oh my gosh. And I actually have the Elmer's clear glue gallon. No. I did a video on it, but it was horrible. It was a horrible video, like testing it out. So I just never really posted it. Can you just hold that right there? Okay, thank you. And then add all of each color. Good. Okay, so we're going to add both 5 ounces since it wants us to add all of it. And I haven't container big enough, I think.
No, Bailey, I think it means 1 of each.
Oh well. We're just gonna add all of them. So, then add all of each, okay, glitter glue pens into the container and mix. Can you hold both of these for it? So now we're gonna add the white first.
This glue takes forever.
And I'm gonna show you the first one, and then we're gonna pause it because this takes forever to squeeze these out.
And it takes forever for these to come out.
Oh, never mind. I'm about to make it way easier on me. Okay, you can take them off now. Just put them to the side. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That was me.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to tear off this.
You want me to do it?
Oh no. Okay, so we're just going to squeeze these in.
I'm going to do this
and
one.
yeah. Okay, be right back. Hi guys, so we have all the white in, and now we're gonna do the silver. And we actually got the, oh my gosh, this one's so pretty.
I know. It
But these things are so hard to squeeze.
I know. The white makes the silver stand out.
Yeah, definitely.
That's what I like about it. What would you say would be your favorite out of all three of these colors?
I don't know yet because I haven't seen them all. Okay, so Hayden's going to do the next one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Hayden, go ahead and do the next one, and we'll be right back. So we have all the blue. Silver.
Top with the blue.
So now we're going to put the blue. And my brother's going to help with the blue.
I know.
Okay. I'm going to do the second one.
Why?
Because I'm letting him do this one. I want to do this one. My brother's doing it.
Need help? You got it.
I have it.
Don't get it all over your hands.
And the blue is so pretty.
I would say the blue is my favorite.
Blue is my favorite. Okay, so we're going to pause it real quick. Okay, so the next step is, once we have all this in, is to mix. Oh my gosh, guys.
No, we didn't put the stuff in.
It says to mix. Oh my gosh, it made it so thick. Do you see how thick is this?
Yeah.
That isn't turning into slime. Oh my gosh, it is. It's turning.
It looks like
eggs.
eggs.
How thick it is.
It looks like eggs.
Okay, so here is the
slime
with the glitter. Okay, so here's the slime with the glitter glue. And it's like already forming. I don't know why. But the next step is to pour entire content of one bottle of the. This looks like Tide.
It does.
Almost. It's thick. Like Tide. I'm gonna pour it slowly. And this is so pretty.
It's turning.
No.
Yeah. We didn't fail. It's a success, Bailey. It's a success!
Here, give me that spatula on the floor.
Spatula. Why'd you drop it?
I didn't. It was already there. Don't make me it. Okay, so
let me add the rest.
Here, not yet. So here it is.
So far,
yeah.
So far, so good.
Yeah, and it's so
Let's try not to ruin it.
It's so pretty and
thick. It smells really good for some reason.
It's thick.
Yeah. Dude, it is frosty.
This reminds me of like a winter day. Like an ice palace kind of.
Yeah, like Elsa's.
Hayden, we are too old for that.
I know.
I'm not going to put my hands in it yet. Put the rest. We're probably going to need both bottles. But don't open that one yet.
Tell me when to, okay? You want me to go in with my hands really quick?
No. Not yet.
It looks like it's supposed to be jiggly and stretchy.
Yeah. Oh no, not yet.
Still sticky though. Hopefully it's not sticky.
I'm gonna start playing with it in my hand. Add the other bottle.
The whole bottle?
No, not the whole one. Just part of it.
You want me to pour it in the cap and then Number 6. Put in a jar to keep
No, not yet. Okay, put some of that. No, not that. Less. Put all of it. Not all of it, but like a good bit. Canister.
I got Yeah, let me put this for
Okay, so we are just trying to get this off my hands. In the meantime,
it's not working.
I add some more of that. And I'll have on this one. That's from my cut.
What cut?
I have a cut on my hand.
You shouldn't run in with your hands.
Okay, so pause the camera. Just click it. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and Hayden's talking with my brother. But I'm mixing, and I just washed my hands. So, I think, hold on.
Can I go in behind you?
No, do not go in your hands.
Why?
It's messy.
Really?
One thing that I've noticed is that, the slime is like a little weird. I don't know how to describe it.
It's like, it's jiggly, but at the same time, it's stretchy.
Yeah, it's really, really thick. Like, it's jiggly but thick. Like, Hayden, come here. Like in jiggly slime, you expect it to be thin. But this one's jiggly and it's really thick. I think it's
also kind of stretchy.
Yeah, I think it's the aggravator only for half that cup. Okay. But it's like really stretchy too, also. And I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's like thick. It's like picking up the bowl when I mix it. I'm like, wow, like this is really thick.
That's how heavy it is.
I'm having to use a paper towel so it won't get on my hand.
That's how sticky it is right now.
It's really sticky also. Can you hold this bowl up?
Why?
I need to hold it up. Just touch it like that.
There.
Okay. So, time to finish the slime. So, I'll get back to you guys when my bowl is clean. It's almost clean though. So, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay guys, so we're back and we have the slime all together now. And we have our area clean with our utensils put up.
Maybe.
Yeah. And here's our
It
slime.
turned out amazing, guys.
It turned out beautiful. Like,
look
point
at
the
it.
camera at it. Like, so beautiful. And point it down. It's so beautiful. And like it's like you can't like as much aggravator as you add, it doesn't like make it non-sticky kind of. Like it just makes it thicker. But like a little bit sticky for me, it's fine.
Yeah.
But like it's not like a bad
Too much
sticky.
Too much sticky.
I mean,
it's not okay.
Like it's the right amount of sticky for me.
Yeah.
Like if you want something that ain't going to even maybe like that is going to be like a hard as rock slime, then don't buy this. Then don't buy this. But if you like something
Kind of
you can-
sticky.
yeah, and that you can stretch.
Haley, it's falling off.
Oh, sorry. Then this is the one for you. But I would rate this slime kit about I would rate it an 8.5. No, a 9 out of 10. Because
It isn't like it isn't 10 out of 10
because it didn't come with a bowl and your mixing utensils.
Yeah.
But the recipe is great. The slime is thick.
And it's exactly how we wanted it.
I mean, it's thick. I've never made a slime like
And
that.
like when you put it in the sun, the sun bounces off of it and like makes all the sparkles layer.
Actually, it's a
pretty.
9.5 for me because the glitter glue pens, they gave you 4 white ones, 2 blue ones, and 2 silver ones. I was like amazed by that because glitter glue pens are expensive in stores. They're like $3 for 3 of them. And no, I'm not about to pay $3 for tiny little glitter pens. But yeah, I'm just going to show you the slime again. And yeah, we'll do some ASMR for you guys. Here. Still. Crackle that. That's stretchy. Must be my swirl. It goes arm length, so it's a 10 out of 10 for me. How about the stretchy? Do the swirl. Yeah, I'm about to do it. I just have to get the lines in it. Do me. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. Oh, and it stays because it's so thick. But yeah, guys, that was this video. Make sure to like, subscribe down below, and comment if would you buy the slime or not. I mean, would you buy this slime kit or not? And I got it from Target. And turn on the notification bell, and turn on the little notification bell beside the subscribe button when you subscribe.
And also comment
to be notified every time I post a video.
And also comment down below the next slime that you want Bailey to do.
Yeah, like what kind of slime do you want?
Like fluffy, glitter, clear.
Listen to this.
Best crackle-axe ever.
I love the crackle.
Seriously.
But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy, and I really hope guys to see you guys next time. I love you so much. Bye.